What's up, guys? Jake and Haley here again. We are winter camping here in January out in Bridgeport. We're on our way to Alabama Hills. It was 7 degrees last night, and we got into camp super late last night. Our friends last minute couldn't bring their truck, so they brought their RAV4, and let's just say we got a little stuck for a while. So no real easy turnaround point, but we got out and set up camp here on the side of the mountain. So we're about halfway to our destination. We're gonna make our way all the way to Alabama Hills and show you some real winter camping. Stay tuned. Well, we made it all the way to Alabama Hills, about a 6-hour drive. We split it up over 2 days, kind of took our time to get out here. But yesterday, we want to talk a little bit about yesterday, kind of what happened and what we liked when we were winter camping, what we would suggest, maybe some things that you don't need per se. But what would you say, Haley?
I think the Mr. Buddy heater was my personal favorite. I think that you can't go camping in the winter without one, and it's really smart to, like, it's one thing to just rough it, but it's another thing to be prepared and have all the tools that you need, because it did get pretty freaking cold last night, so it's good to have all the stuff that we had. We had
a 20-degree dual sleeping bag too, and that definitely wasn't enough for the 7-degree weather that we had last night. One thing else I would say that you guys will probably want to always keep on hand is some traction boards, whether you get Max Tracks, X-Poles. We weren't planning on seeing any snow yesterday. We were trying to make it out to some hot springs from some of our favorite places that we've been to that had some epic camping alongside them, and we couldn't make it out there just because our friend's rig just couldn't make it. So we used our traction boards to get them out slowly, and yeah, so stay tuned. Alabama Hills, it doesn't look like there's going to be any snow here, but we're having an awesome adventure. We made it out to Alabama Hills. This is the infamous movie road. Had to take some pictures out here. Alabama Hills is a great winter camping spot. As you can see, in January there was no snow on the trails, but there was on the mountains. It's a place where any vehicle can go that has 4-wheel drive that wants to go explore the many different trails that they have along Movie Road, or if you guys wanted to just go out there and have a good time camping, you could do that as well. We're taking the RAV places that the Tacoma goes. Look at that flex there. Pretty sweet. Oh yeah. Well, finally set up camp out at Alabama Hills. This is our second time here. See what Zach and Elsa think. What do you think? Second time here? How do you like it?
It's definitely beautiful, like we expected. Last year was a little bit chillier. This time we came prepared.
We already did.
Campsite is top notch this time around. Surrounded by rocks. We have a propane fireplace. We're set.
What do you think, Kay?
Looks awesome.
Perfect night. All right, Elsa, what are we cooking up tonight?
We are cooking chicken breast and
Cauliflower
onions.
rice, right?
yes, and asparagus.
Now, do you think this is the easiest thing to cook in winter?
Probably not. I mean, I did do some prep at home, so that made it a little easier, but it's not top ramen.
Haley, what are we doing and why are we eating this food right now?
We're doing the 75 hard, and so that means we're doing it while camping too. So we've gotten our 2 workouts in for the day and a gallon of water drink, and Jake was just in the truck reading his books. So we're killing it. Even while we're out here, we're doing keto too. So we're forcing them to eat keto with us.
We've been eating keto for this is day 20. So last night we had some cauliflower rice, some beef, and some salad. Made like some taco salads. And tonight we're doing some chicken and some cauliflower rice and some asparagus. So challenge has to still kick on. So we're gonna eat some dinner, watch a movie, hang out, and go to bed. Good morning from Alabama Hills. Had a little rough night last night. It was pretty windy, about 40-mile-an-hour winds, so decided to sleep in the truck for the first time, which was interesting. But hey, we're here. Haley's over here making some breakfast. And some sausage. Some more sausage. Elsa's cooking some eggs over there. Zach's getting everything prepped too. Gonna eat some nice food and go explore Alabama Hills and show you what winter camping is all about. Alabama Hills has a bunch of different activities to offer to the community as far as winter camping goes. There's dirt bike trails, there's hiking trails out to arches, there's 4x4 trails that are some technical than others, but they have signs that let you know that. So if you're in a stock vehicle, you don't have to go on those trails or find yourself stuck on those trails. So be sure to go check out Alabama Hills and see what winter camping is all about. Well, as you can see, we are back from our crazy little overland adventure all the way out to Alabama Hills. Hopefully you guys liked that video on some tips and tricks on what winter camping is all about. If you guys are new to the channel, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Go check out some of our other videos. We've been all over the West Coast doing some overland adventures and some installs on some parts for the Tacoma. So feel free to go give those a check out and let us know what you think. And until next time, we'll be wandering.